Welcome to Green Cleaning with Amy, and we're going to make some dishwasher tablets. Let's run through the ingredients and everything you're going to need. It's really simple. The first thing is citric acid, and this is really easy to get hold of Amazon, and it lasts a long time. So a good bag like this will last you a good while. You're going to need a glass bowl and a tablespoon, some grapefruit oil and baking soda, On Guard cleaner concentrate, which you should all just get some of this in your life. It rocks my world. We use it for washing up liquid, stains off clothes. We make kitchen and bathroom sprays with it. It rocks. So yeah, and then you want something to measure things with. So I've got here a 15mm measuring spoon, and you could do with either a jug to measure or a cup. I'm not very good at cup sizes, so I'm going to say in ml everything that we're using. And then you're going to need a silicone, one of these, all right? To put our dishwasher tablets in. So let's get making. I'm going to put that to the side, and first of all I'm going to add in the baking soda. So the baking soda, you want 1 cup, which is 236 milliliters. Okay, so I'm just going to pop into there. So I have a big I think that's about right. Oh, it's all finished. Yeah, I have a big, like 4 times bigger than this bag of baking soda, and then I can just top up the little jars that I've got in the kitchen, and then I keep some in the bathroom as well. I'm just getting all the lumps out of the baking soda. But if you've got older kids, this is a really nice thing to do with them. They'll really enjoy making it. I don't do it with Ace because although this is food grade stuff, he will put it in his mouth and just, yeah, maybe soon I'll start making it with him. Yeah, so we've just got all the big lumps out of that because it can get quite lumpy. I'm just gonna get the rest of that jar in. And then we're gonna do 1/4 cup of citric acid, which is 60 mLs. So I'm going to do 4 of these, which is 15 mL. So we've got 1, yes, 2, 3, 4. Sweet. And then give that a little mix in before the liquidy stuff goes, just to help it even out. And then we want 1 tablespoon of the cleaner concentrate. There we go. And 4 drops of grapefruit, or you could use lime, whichever's best. I think it was about 5, 6 drops of grapefruit, whichever you have. The nice thing about the citrus oils is they're not expensive, and I tend to use them a lot in the kitchen, in the diffuser, for cleaning. The lemon is so lovely in the sink, grapefruit also. So they're really nice in the morning to put on. They really freshen up the space, and in the afternoon as well, before people coming home from work, finishing school. And you just mix it in and get it into a nice equal consistency. It's really, really actually very therapeutic making this. Makes you feel like a big kid. So give it a good mix. Right, I'm going to give it a last little blast. There we go. wild spoon. And then we just pop it into all these little ones. So here we go. This scoop's good for this. It's nice. It's about the right size for the job. Get the last little bits out and just squeeze them in. And when you finish, they'll come out in like this. And I would keep them then in the jar, airtight sealed container, so a jar or a plastic tub. I like glass, it's nice. And it replaces the other dishwashing tablets, which we don't know what's in those tablets, do we? 100%, we don't. Yeah, so there we go. Hope you've enjoyed it. They need leaving for 4 hours, and once the 4 hours is up, they go nice and rock solid like these little puppies. Brilliant.